They are well blunt now, so I need to get some like Eddie's. Would you believe bonsai clippers work really well? Fakem tensioner and cutter. As you can see, this looks very nearly new, and that's because I've never got on with this. It does work quite well on the bigger ones, but it does have a nasty habit of over tensioning and snapping them off. Good old cutters. Old pair of Knipex here that I've taken a nick out of at some point. All sorts of diagonal and nasty cuts they produce. Stanley knife. I've done it with those before and made some nice clean cuts, but of course dangerous. My favourite is probably this, the RS cable gun, and it makes a very nice job of it, so I'm going to give you a little demo. So here we are, back at my little table. As I said, Fakem, Knipex, RS cable tie gun, bonsai clippers, a little pair of electronic ones, a bit of AWA distribution cable there, and a selection of cable ties. And so as I said, this one is getting too blunt for the big ones, but nice neat cut. Bonsai clippers, angled tips, nice and easy, but of course not insulated. As you can see, you get some horrible ends on those, and it's really difficult. That even there, as close as that will nip back, that's not done it. However, if I do that, and if I do that, very nice. No holes in my fingers. Fakem, fuck 'em, whatever you want to say. These ones, as I said before, wrong way round, tip. So, bit fiddly, and that's still left a nasty edge on there that I would then look to tidy up. My little 100-year-old, nothing there at all. So the Fakem still leaves a nasty edge. The side cutters with the Stanley knife does tidy them up. Bonsai, nice and clean in there. The other two, they're all right, but by far the best are the RS cable gun, good old Stanley knife, and my bonsai cutters. There you go. Don't leave nasty edges. They hurt when the next twit has to get up there and do anything. And guys, on this blustery afternoon, I wish you the end of a bank holiday, and good luck with next week. See you later, guys.